Hello and welcome, Python enthusiasts. Are you tired of your awesome Python scripts looking, well, like scripts, just text in a black box? Today we're going to fix that. We are taking a huge leap from the command line into the world of beautiful, interactive desktop applications. We're going to build a GUI, which stands for Graphical User Interface, or as I like to call it, gosh, isn't that an upgrade? Specifically, we're building a real-time currency converter. You'll have an app with input fields, drop-down menus, and a big friendly button to get live exchange rates. It's a fantastic project that will make you feel like a true software developer. Let's dive into how it's made. So what's the game plan? To build our app, we'll use a library called customtkinter. It's a fantastic tool that makes building modern-looking GUIs in Python incredibly easy. To get those live, up-to-the-minute exchange rates, we'll connect to a free currency API. An API is basically a way for our program to ask another program for information. It's like sending a text to the internet and getting an instant reply with all the latest currency data. All right, let's start with the code that sets up our main application window. First, we need to import customtkinter and the request library. Then we create a class for our application. Think of this class as the blueprint for our entire program. Inside this blueprint, we'll set up the main window, give it a title like Currency Converter, and set its size. We'll also create a short list of some common currencies, like USD, EUR, and INR, to use in our drop-down menus later. It's the basic scaffolding for our digital masterpiece. Now let's add the fun stuff, the visual elements, also known as widgets. This next piece of the puzzle is the code that creates what the user will actually see and interact with. We'll add an input field where you can type the amount of money. We'll create two drop-down menus for selecting the from into currencies. And of course, the most important part, a big convert button. The magic here is that we link this button to a Python function. So when a user clicks it, it triggers our code to run. This is a key concept called event-driven programming. The app just waits patiently for the user to do something. No pressure, so what happens when that button is finally clicked? The function that runs is the brain of our whole operation. First, it grabs the amount the user typed in and which currencies they selected from the dropdowns. Next, we add a bit of defensive programming with a try-except block. This is the programmer's way of saying, I don't entirely trust my users to type in a real number. If they type cat instead of 100, our app won't crash. It will just show a gentle error message. Once we have a valid number, it's API time. We send a request to the currency exchange service to get all the latest rates. After the API sends back the data, our function digs through it to find the specific conversion rate we need. For example, the rate for converting USD to INR. Then it does the simple math, amount times the conversion rate. And for the grand finale, instead of printing to a boring terminal, our function updates a label right inside the GUI window, displaying the final converted amount in a clean, readable format. And there you have it, a fully functional, professional-looking currency converter built entirely with Python. You've created a genuine desktop application that can talk to the internet. This is a huge step up, and it really opens a new world of possibilities for your projects. If you felt that aha moment building a real clickable application, just imagine what else you could build. This currency converter is just one of the 10 practical projects you'll build in my ebook, Python KickStart. Build 10 real-world apps from scratch. The book will guide you step by step through building even more amazing tools like a website scraper, that automated file organizer, a YouTube video downloader, and more. It's all designed to get you building a real portfolio. So if you're ready to stop just learning theory and start becoming a confident Python developer who builds real software, the link to grab your copy of Python KickStart is right there in the description below. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more practical Python projects. Now go and build something amazing. Happy coding!